Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A5 air filter. First, gather your new air filter and the necessary tools like a screwdriver and possibly a Torx bit set. Ensure your engine is cool before starting. Locate the air filter housing, typically a black plastic box, in the engine bay. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. To begin, open your Audi A5's hood and secure it safely. The air filter housing is generally a prominent black plastic box situated near the front of the engine compartment. Depending on your specific model, you will either find several clips or a few screws holding the cover in place. Gently unfasten these to prepare for access. Once the housing cover is open, carefully lift out the old air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris and clean it thoroughly. Now, take your new air filter and ensure it is oriented correctly before gently placing it into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and securely within its designated slot. With the new filter in place, carefully reattach the air filter housing cover. Ensure all clips are securely fastened or all screws are tightened to their original snugness. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. Finally, remember to dispose of your old air filter in an environmentally responsible way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.